Hello everyone, it's Ken here. I don't have a special name other than that. So today, what we're looking at is my brother's clock. It's a Chinese clock. I took the movement out of the case. He was complaining that the clock wasn't keeping time. It was gaining 10 minutes per day. And he had to have it tilted on the wall instead of straight. He had to have the clock tilted like this in order for it to run. So I brought it home. He brought it over for me to take a look at, and what we found out was that it was actually missing a piece. I don't know if you can see that. So anyway, it was missing. It had a broken suspension spring, so it wasn't even hooked up properly. And somehow the clock still wanted to go. And when I got it here at my desk, I noticed how filthy dirty the clock was. There was a lot of gunk on the pallets, and there's a lot of dried up oil in all of the pivots. So this clock hasn't been clean for a very, very long time, maybe never in its life. It's not that old of a clock, but I don't know exactly how old it is. Made in China. It's a 555 clock, number 555, number 7402. So I've ordered a suspension spring that I think might fit it, and I'm going to take it apart and do a proper cleaning. There's the key for it. That's a nice powder coated key. I like that key. Okay, I'm going to take this clock apart. Time to take it apart. I'll start by removing the hammer. I think I will. Oh my God, that's tight. I'm using kind of screwdriver. There we go. That's part of the chime. I've already let down the power of this clock, so no worries about that. I notice that this is crooked, that this is up higher here than here, so I don't know if that's intentional or accidental. We'll fix it anyway. We'll make it work. We'll call that time side. And that is just filthy dirty. I don't know if you can see a big clump of dirt on there or not, but it's really dirty. Time side. I think we'll take these off. favorite little pliers for removing things like this. Okay, maybe not. Doesn't want to do it. I don't seem to have the right tool. There we are. Maybe this is the right tool. There we are. Yay, we got the right tool. Actually, those. Put those on the. Yeah, put them in there. Put them in there. That's fine. Okay, that thing can come off. As I said, I do have the power let down. That was a good tool for that little job. I like to use my close-up goggles, my man goggles, my man glasses. Okay, let's take this off first. Disconnect this little spring. And we'll disconnect this little clip. Where's my clip remover? This one's smaller than those. Yeah, it's smaller. Put it on the back. This is per the chiming mechanism. Okay. Another clip that has to come. Sorry if you can't see parts of this. It's hard to do all the time. Though. Okay. And we got nothing too big here. It's not gonna come off. easily come off when I remove the plate. Tool back. I'm removing the click. Curved side goes up. Bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. Yeah. Curved side goes up. Oh, so these are designed so you can take them out. Or maybe not. Yeah, I think you can pull these right out and remove the mainsprings without taking the clock apart. So you can do a mainspring repair. Oh, that's how they're designed. Yeah, I believe you can take these right out. Yeah. Well, I'm taking it apart, so it don't matter. Okay, we already have a washer. Where did that come from? I didn't see that anywhere else. Where did this washer come from? I don't know. Put it in there, I guess. Oh, it might come from there. What goes on there? Yep. A washer goes on there. Goes on there, and when I took this off, it stuck to it. Can't lose that. I've had these off before. They do come off. They do come off. much. This should all come off now. This top plate should come right off. Let's hold it on. I'd like to keep the wheels separate if I could. Center wheel and that wheel and that wheel. Is not it. This is the one. That's time. That's time. That's time. That's time. That goes into that. And that goes into what? This one? I already lost control of everything. This one is. Of course, the escape wheel is done. Take it apart. It's hard to get apart. It's time. If I could find time in a bottle, and if words could mean nothing to you, I'd save every day Eternity passes just to spend them with you. Let's get this. Let's get this one out. Oh, she's got a clip. She's got a clip here. Got a little clip here. Lousy place for a clip. This didn't come out nice and neat like I was hoping it would. Tell me you got a clip too. Of course, yeah, you got a clip too. Everybody's got a clip. Okay, what else we got stuck in here? Good luck trying to get this thing back together. We'll not put that one in the ultrasonic cleaner. This time. Okay. Because of that center wheel, motion works, it's hard to get this off. I guess that's what you gotta do. I hate to do that. You don't want to bend anything. All right. Parts. Whew. These I hope they're both the same size. I never checked. 51.4. Oh, they're not. 51.4. 51.5. 0.4. No, they don't seem to be any different size-wise. They don't seem to be any different size-wise. That's the way to wind it. This is the way to unwind it. That's the way to unwind it. There you go. Got that done. Just put it over from this side. That's what I tried to do to get them out. I believe they're both the same size anyway. I don't put these in by hand. I use my mainspring winder. It's a lot easier. This is dangerous. God, I don't like that. Okay. It's like a bell. It's like a bell. Okay, every day, daily turn, the passes. Just bring them with you. Come on, bring it. Come on, bring it. Okay, that spring is pretty good. Pretty good. Actually, it's not set.